In this video, I'm going to be showing you how much my sister made, and also note that she's not creating videos with her face. She only creates faceless videos. That means she didn't show her face in the full month, and yet she received her payment and she made some dollars. I mean good dollars from YouTube without showing her face. This is for you to see how much Faceless YouTube channel can help you, even if you are a shy person. So now let's dive into it. Let me share with you hot tips that you will love to hear. And note, there are some things that you need to do. If not, YouTube will be deducting your money without you. You'll be seeing it, but you may not know how you got there. So make sure to watch this video step by step, because I'll be breaking down everything in bits for you to learn and grow faster. And I'm not also going to show you how much she made. I'll also share with you the steps that she took and everything, I mean every process. So if you are struggling to grow, make sure to watch this video to the very end, because you're gonna be inspired, trust me. So let's get in. So when my sister started her YouTube channel, I mean the Faceless YouTube channel, she first jumped into creating reels. Yeah, because she haven't had any idea of how YouTube works, and she always gets views, something like 1k views, 500 views, and she will always be happy and she will always be excited that people are watching her 30-second video. But guess what? After 2 weeks, she started complaining that her threshold is not moving. I mean this is what we call threshold, and that of the reels is not moving. So I advise her to go over to long videos, that it's better to create long videos more than that of short. And not just that, also told her what to do so that she will be able to monetize faster and not just create random videos, right? And now when she started, it wasn't that easy. When she started making long videos, it was not easy for her. She would always complain that people are not seeing her videos, people are not watching. I will keep encouraging her, right? I always tell her to upload more videos. When you upload more videos, you have higher chances of going viral, of meeting people, of YouTube to push your videos. When YouTube sees that you are consistent, that this channel upload videos consistently, you have higher chances. When you post a video and keep waiting for it to grow, you will share to this person, you keep disturbing people's DMs with long videos that people are not interested in. With that same energy, why not channel it in creating more content? That energy that you use to share your videos and beg your father to watch, beg your mom to watch, use it to create more videos. By the time you create it, from 10, 50 to 100 videos, some of your videos will start getting to people. Gradually, you will start growing. So with this, I encouraged her and she started posting more often. And the good thing is that she wasn't doing this with any laptop. She has no laptop. She has no iPhone. She was doing this with just her phone. I mean, Android phone. Not a fancy phone. Normal Android phone that is cheaper in price. There's no expensive gadget. There's no light. Nothing. Just her phone. Android phone. She was creating content, and with her consistency, she grew to 1,000 subscribers and reached her threshold, and now monetized and earning, which I will show you how much she made after she monetized. You can start with your Android phone and get monetized and start earning, even if you don't have any iPhone or laptop at all. So once she got to monetization level, she monetized her channel and started earning. You know, when you start earning, it will be a gradual process. Don't just get monetized and start earning $1,000 in just 1 month. No, it doesn't work that way. When she monetized, she started creating content. You know, you have to be consistent. That you have 1,000 subscribers isn't a guarantee that you will have 1,000 views in every of your video. In fact, you even be struggling with 100 views unless they keep pushing out your videos. That's why consistency is very much important. So in her very first month of monetization, guess how much she made? She made $30 plus. $30 plus in her very first month of monetization. And you might be thinking that $30 is very small, but no, it's not. For someone that is a student, and so many other people, a stay-at-home mom who do not have jobs, earning up to $30, convert it to your currency and see how much it is. But the thing is, she didn't withdraw it. You're thinking, why didn't she withdraw it? At least she can use it for one thing or the other. Now, it's not that she did not want to withdraw it, but she cannot withdraw it. YouTube has a payment threshold. What does that mean? You as a YouTuber, whether you are a faceless creator or a non-faceless creator, you must reach $100 before you can be able to withdraw your money. If you didn't get up to $100 in your Google AdSense account, you cannot be able to withdraw it into your own account. So that means she won't be able to withdraw her money. She will go in and put more effort, log in and do all the work that she needs, so that in the second month she will be able to hit $100 and will be able to withdraw her money into her own bank account and start flexing. So congratulations to her. And now this is the important part which I want to tell you or spill, because most of you do not know this. So this is the tax forms and deductions. And if you didn't listen carefully to this section of this video, you will be deducted. In fact, that will slash your payment. And it's not supposed to be so, but if you didn't listen and watch this video carefully, they will slash your payment. That means if you get your $100, they will slash it and you won't be able to withdraw it. And that's how they will continue to slash it until you do this, which I'm about to tell you in this video right now. So if you have someone who is on YouTube or somebody who is trying out YouTube, creating content but yet to be monetized, share this video to them, because this will be a guide that they will thank you for sharing with them. So now let's dive in. So the thing is, if you are not in the US, whether you are in the US or not, YouTube will still ask you to submit your US tax form inside your Google AdSense account. I don't know if you're getting me. Whether you are in USA or not, anywhere you are, as far as you are creating content on YouTube will still ask you to submit your YouTube tax form inside your Google AdSense account. I already made a video where I received my own payment and I shared with you how Google AdSense, how it links with YouTube, right? I'll leave the link in the comment section, so feel free to watch the video carefully this time, so you know what is Google AdSense and how you receive your YouTube payment with it, right? So now let's get back to what we are saying about the tax reform and everything. And if you do not fill the US tax form, if you do not fill it, maybe you didn't read it, you skipped it, or any reason you might have, now you sabi, if you didn't fill the form, YouTube will deduct 30% of your entire earnings. I don't know if you are getting me, but listen carefully. If you did not fill the form, they will remove 30% of your money every month. Imagine you as an upcoming YouTube creator slashing your money. I mean 30% of your money. How much you go get? How much will you have? And you may even get $200 maybe in 3 to 4 months. And to recover the one that there's last, for you to be able to withdraw it. Okay, now imagine my sister now, she only have $30, and when she eventually gets to $100, they will now slash it back. They will slash 30% off the amount. She will now have to take maybe 1 month or 2 months to now get that particular amount back, and they will still slash it. So you keep increasing it before you withdraw the money. You will be able to get the one that they will slash, right? So you have, like, let me say 150, so that after the slash you still have up to $100 for yourself. Imagine that as a small creator, how will you feel? So please make sure to fill the form and submit it. Fill the form correctly with your own country details. Fill the form correctly with your own country details. I know why I'm repeating this. Fill the form correctly. Fill the US tax form correctly with your own country details. Be careful while filling the form. Read very well. Use ChatGPT or Google so that you'll be able to fill the form correctly. If you want me to explain more about the tax form and how it looks, let me know in the comments. I will do a video about it if I get more people that request for it. So please be careful while filling your form so you don't make mistakes and lose money, because here we are talking about your earnings, right? So be careful while filling your form and make sure to fill the form correct. And now, before we go, now that she started creating, you know that YouTube pays you even if people watch your videos after 1 year, right? So now, if any of her video peaks, I mean that of my sister, if any of her video peaks, she might even get over to $500 or more. depending on how YouTube pushes her videos, right? In the other video, I talked about how I was able to get to monetization when my videos peaked. So you have a very great chance once you are consistent. Even if you just monetize, YouTube might decide to, YouTube algorithm might push one of your videos, be it a faceless channel or a non-faceless channel video. YouTube will push the videos to people, and once people start coming back to your channel, your earnings will grow. Okay, so she still have a very better chances of getting a lot of money, or even more than that, before the end of the month. That's the beauty of YouTube. Your videos keep paying you for a very, like, everlasting. Your video will keep paying you. As far as people are watching your videos, you keep making money once you are monetized. So now, if you are posting only on shorts and you know that you're not getting the results, the thresholds are not moving, consider switching to videos. You can mix it up, right? Post short and post long form video. And please be consistent. I don't know how much everybody is talking about it all over the internet, right? Be consistent. I have talked about consistency in the link I'll be dropping in the description box. Be consistent. I also talked about how you can batch create your content and what it truly means, because most persons are not understanding but creating and consistency, right? It's not what you think it is. So please go back to the video, watch it. It will be in the description box, so you understand how YouTube really works. I already explained everything in details in the video, so please go back, check the description box and watch the video, so you create content very well and get monetized fast. And now I hope you understand how the tax works, both the US form and monetization, the requirements and everything. And remember, it's a faceless YouTube channel, so she can create more videos, right? And she has a better chances of creating lots of videos because she doesn't show her face. So she still grew it and monetized it without showing her face. So you can do same. You can check the description box. I'll drop my faceless channel course right there, so you can get it and start building your own faceless channel. Even if you're just starting out today, you get all the steps I took, all the steps my sister took, and most of my students actually did to start creating their faceless channels, knowing what they want and how they can get it faster. So check the description box to get the course right now. So that is how my sister got monetized in less than 2 months and actually made $30 in her first month of being monetized on YouTube. If this video inspired you and you learned something from this video, please like this video and let me know in the comments if you have a faceless YouTube channel. Are you creating your faceless videos, or you are doing the non-faceless video? Don't forget to subscribe to this channel because I'll be uploading lots more valuable content. My name is Success and I wish you success. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.